Forget TVs. What if your wall could become a 150 to 200-inch Dolby Vision cinema from just inches away? Today, I'm presenting the most powerful 4K ultra-short-throw laser projectors on the planet, some with triple laser color, others built for hardcore gaming. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves to replace your TV. Starting our list, we have the Formovie Theater Premium Ultra Short Throw 4K Triple Color Laser Projector.
The Formovie Theater Premium is celebrated for its pursuit of pure cinematic color accuracy and deep, detailed contrast. It leverages Appotronics' LPU digital laser engine and the superior ALPD 4.0 triple laser system, which is pivotal in producing vibrant, speckle-free visuals without a color wheel. This cutting-edge light source is technically incredible, allowing the projector to cover a massive 107% of the BT 2020 color space, which is significantly wider than the DCI P3 standard, essentially future-proofing your cinema experience for upcoming content. The light engine pushes out a vibrant 2200 ISO lumens of brightness with a high native contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, which, when combined with full native Dolby Vision support, creates a truly dynamic picture with exceptional highlight and shadow detail. Its ultra-short 0.21 to 1 throw ratio is among the tightest in the industry, enabling it to project a huge 150-inch screen from just inches away from the wall, making installation incredibly flexible. This model operates at a maximum display output of 4K 60 Hz. For connectivity, the Formovie is meticulously equipped for a modern home theater. It offers a total of 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, with one specifically dedicated to eARC support to handle lossless, high-fidelity audio, making it easy to connect external media like a Blu-ray player, gaming consoles, and streaming sticks. It includes 2 USB 2.0 ports, a dedicated LAN or Ethernet port for stable networking, and built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. The immersive experience is completed by a high-fidelity 30-watt Bowers & Wilkins sound system, featuring dual 15-watt speakers and support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X processing, providing powerful, room-filling spatial audio that makes external speakers optional for casual viewing.
Now we have the Anker Nebula X1. The Nebula X1 is a brilliantly engineered projector that combines extreme light output with cutting-edge convenience features. It boasts a powerful RGB triple laser light source capable of generating a huge 3500 ANSI lumens, making it an exceptional performer in rooms with high ambient light. This raw power is managed by an industry-first liquid cooling system, which ensures consistent performance and quiet operation. The optical system features a 14-element all-glass lens and boasts a high native contrast ratio of 5000 to 1, delivering deep blacks and bright whites. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz. The standout physical innovation is the built-in motorized micro gimbal, which provides a 25-degree automatic tilt and powered optical zoom, allowing the projector to achieve precise image alignment even on uneven surfaces. Connectivity on the Nebula X1 is forward-thinking. It features 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, one of which supports eARC for pass-through of high-definition audio formats to external sound systems. It also includes USB-A and USB-C ports for media playback and device power. Running on the Google TV operating system, it integrates seamlessly with your streaming accounts and smart home environment via built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Google Assistant voice control. Its flexible 0.9 to 1:1 to 1.5 to 1 variable throw ratio, combined with its artificial intelligence spatial adaptation suite for instant screen fit, makes it set up effortless, securing its place as a top-tier performer.
As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below.
Next up, the Hisense C2 Ultra. The Hisense C2 Ultra redefines projector versatility, designed for portability and maximum placement flexibility. It features a sophisticated TriChroma triple laser light source that produces 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness and achieves cinematic color fidelity by covering 110% of the BT 2020 color space. The most technologically distinctive element is its powered optical zoom lens, which allows the projector to zoom from a short to a slightly longer throw, 0.9 to 1.5 to 1 throw ratio, without digitally resizing the image, preserving the integrity of the 4K resolution across a variable image size of up to 300 inches. The entire unit sits on a 360-degree gimbal mount, making it simple to aim the image at a wall or even the ceiling for casual viewing. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz. Connectivity is solid, featuring one HDMI 2.1 port for future-proof gaming and an additional HDMI 2.0 port with eARC support. It also includes two USB 3.0 ports for high-speed media access, plus a dedicated LAN Ethernet port for rock-solid network stability. The C2 Ultra runs on the responsive Vidia operating system, offering access to major streaming platforms and integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Certified for IMAX Enhanced content and supporting a super-fast 240 Hz refresh rate at 2K resolution, this projector is a well-rounded device that minimizes technical hassle while delivering powerful performance.
Now we have the AWOL Vision LTV-3000 Pro 4K 3D Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector. The AWOL Vision LTV-3000 Pro is a triple laser ultra short throw meticulously crafted for the media connoisseur. It uses a pure RGB triple laser system to deliver a vibrant image with a bright 2000 ISO lumens and a strong 2500:1 native contrast ratio.
Its core cinematic strength lies in its comprehensive high dynamic range compatibility, being among the few premium projectors to support both Dolby Vision and HDR10+, offering the highest possible dynamic range and picture quality from virtually any source.
With a tight 0.25:1 ultra short throw ratio, it maximizes image size in compact spaces while supporting high-demand formats like Active 3D. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz. Connectivity is designed for a dedicated home theater setup. It offers three HDMI 2.0B ports, with one port supporting eARC for passing high-definition audio like Dolby Atmos to an external receiver. It features two USB 2.0 ports, a dedicated LAN Ethernet input, and SPI-DF optical audio out. For smart control, the LTV-3000 Pro is integrated with Control 4, Savant, and Crestron, making it perfect for custom smart home environments. Its low input lag of 15 milliseconds at 4K 60 Hz and an even faster 8 milliseconds at 1080p ensures that high-performance gaming is not sacrificed for cinematic quality.
Now we have the NexiGo Aurora Pro Mark II. The NexiGo Aurora Pro Mark II is the next-generation ultra-short throw focused on maximizing black-level performance and gaming speed. This powerhouse uses the cutting-edge ALPD 5.0 Prevision tricolor laser engine to deliver a bright image of 2400 ISO lumens and a sensational static contrast ratio of 4000:1. The key technological differentiator is its Scene Adapt Engine, SAE, which combines a dynamic iris and laser dimming to achieve a dynamic contrast ratio of over 30,000:1, providing superior depth and shadow detail in dark cinema scenes. This UST model is capable of projecting a stunning screen size up to 150 inches. Gaming performance is elite, with support for 4K 120Hz input, downscaled to 4K 60Hz display, and an ultra-low input lag that drops to just 4.2 milliseconds at 1080p 240Hz. For connectivity, it is future-ready with three HDMI 2.1 ports, with one supporting eARC for high-definition audio pass-through. It also features three USB-A ports, a LAN or Ethernet port, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast streaming. It supports the full spectrum of premium high dynamic range formats, including Dolby Vision and HDR10+, and features a powerful 60-watt integrated sound system with Dolby Atmos and DTS HD decoding.
Moving on, the Valerion VisionMaster Pro2 is an ambitious lifestyle projector that aggressively targets both the cinema and competitive gaming crowds. It uses an RGB triple laser system to project a bright 3000 ISO lumens image covering a vast 110% of the Rec 2020 color gamut. A core technical highlight is its ability to produce deep blacks and detailed shadows, achieving a phenomenal 15,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio through specialized enhanced black level EBL technology. The projector is a true gaming monster, featuring HDMI 2.1 ports and an astonishingly low input lag of 4 milliseconds at 1080p 240 Hz and a quick 15 milliseconds at 4K 60 Hz. Connectivity is bleeding edge, designed for the fastest next-gen consoles and networks. It boasts two full HDMI 2.1 ports, plus an additional HDMI 2.0 port with eARC support for high-end audio pass-through. Networking is also top-tier, featuring Wi-Fi 6E for the fastest wireless speeds and a dedicated LAN Ethernet RJ45 port for stable wired connections. Other ports include USB 3.0, USB 2.0, SPDIF, and an analog audio jack. This projector runs on the Google TV operating system and supports nearly every format, including Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and Active 3D, making it the connectivity king for the power user.
Next up, the Hisense PX3-PRO is a significant step forward in laser cinema technology, driven by the new LPU digital laser engine. It features the company's acclaimed TriChroma RGB triple laser system, which boasts 3,000 ANSI lumens of brightness and achieves a massive color reproduction standard of 110% of the BT 2020 color space. This model is exceptionally well-rounded for premium content, supporting a full suite of high dynamic range formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and hybrid log gamma, and earning an IMAX Enhanced certification. The tight 0.22 to 1 throw ratio provides a huge 150-inch image from just inches away. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz. For connectivity, the PX3-PRO is perfectly geared for modern entertainment. It includes two HDMI 2.1 ports, essential for high-speed gaming, and an additional HDMI 2.0 port with eARC support for external sound systems. It also features USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, a dedicated LAN or Ethernet port, and both optical and analog audio outputs. As the first ultra-short throw certified as designed for Xbox, it ensures full compatibility with auto-low latency and high refresh rates up to 240 Hz via high-speed refresh at 1080p resolution. Running on Google TV with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it's a powerhouse of picture and connectivity.
Now we have the Epson QS100 4K Pro UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. The Epson QS100 is the brightest contender in this lineup, designed as a true daylight TV replacement. It employs 3 LCD technology with 4K Pro UHD pixel shifting to deliver an industry-leading 4,500 lumens of both color and white brightness with a phenomenal 5,000,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. This extreme light output is ideal for rooms with high ambient light. The projector is purpose-built for custom installations, focusing on picture quality and integration over internal smart features. It supports HDR10 and hybrid log gamma content with advanced dynamic HDR tone mapping. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz and a low input lag mode with 2K 120 Hz. Connectivity emphasizes high-fidelity audio and professional integration. It includes 2 HDMI 2.0 ports with 1 dedicated port supporting eARC for connecting to high-end receivers. Unlike some competitors, the QS100 does not include internal speakers or built-in smart television platform, but it counters this with professional-grade connectivity, a LAN Ethernet port for networking and control, RS-232, and IP command compatibility with systems like Control4 and Crestron. It is designed to be the core visual element of a meticulously planned high-end home theater system, allowing the owner to pair it with their choice of external audio and streaming devices.
Finally, we arrive at the flagship model, the Hisense L9Q. The Hisense L9Q is the ultimate statement piece in laser projection, delivering an uncompromised audio-visual experience. Its TriChroma RGB triple laser engine outputs an immense 5,000 ANSI lumens of peak brightness, allowing it to project a colossal 200-inch image with incredible punch and clarity. The color volume is outstanding, achieving a verified 110% of the BT.2020 color gamut. This flagship model supports all major HDR standards, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and hybrid log gamma, HLG, and earns the prestigious IMAX Enhanced certification. This model supports a maximum refresh rate of 4K 60 Hz. A key differentiator is the LPU digital laser engine powering the integrated Devialet tuned 6.2.2 virtual surround sound system, which features a massive 116 watt of audio power, featuring up-firing speakers for true 3D audio immersion. Connectivity is comprehensive and future-ready. It provides a generous 4 HDMI ports, 2 HDMI 2.1 and 2 HDMI 2.0. One of the HDMI 2.0 ports supports eARC for easy integration with the sound system. Additional ports include a USB 3.0, a USB 2.0, a USB-C input, a LAN Ethernet port, and both optical and analog audio outs. Running on Google TV and featuring Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, the L9Q is designed to be the ultimate integrated large-screen machine for both the cinema purist and the gaming enthusiast.
And that wraps up the Ultra Short Throw Showdown. Every one of these 4K projectors brings something extraordinary to the table, but which one would you crown king of home cinema? Drop your picks in the comment down below. Until next time, keep your wall bright and your popcorn ready, and your movies larger than life.
Thank you for watching. You can discover more about these excellent products with the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.